Hey guys, so it's been a while. I hope you've all been keeping well and been very busy practicing piano. Now, if you're a long-term subscriber, you'll know that I haven't posted any videos in quite a few years. And that's because life got in the way. Over the last few years, I've had 2 kids and moved into a big family home, which it turns out is not conducive to making videos or even practicing piano, to be honest. There's always a nappy to change or a lawn to mow. But you will hopefully be pleased to know that in the small windows of peace and quiet that I was presented with, I have been working on a book, and now it is finally ready to share. So it's called Playing and Understanding Jazz Piano, Volume 1, and it's the first book in what I intend to be a series of 3 books that will cover beginner, intermediate, and advanced jazz piano, with Volume 1 naturally being the beginner book. So firstly, don't worry. The YouTube videos and the website are going to remain up and they're going to remain free for everyone. This book is not replacing that content, but nor is it just a regurgitation of the website. I wrote this book from scratch with new material, new examples, and most importantly, a better structure. And the reason I wrote it is because many people have rightly pointed out that my lessons and videos are not structured in a consumable way. The videos and lessons are grouped by topic rather than capability. There's a jazz scales section, there's a jazz harmony section, and so on. But that's not how people actually learn. It's difficult for a beginner to know what lessons are actually relevant to them at their current skill level. Now, this book fixes that. It has allowed me to organize the material in a step-by-step consumable, logical way with no ads, no distractions, and no constant pleas for likes or subscriptions. So this book starts at the beginning and guides you through all the key concepts in order, with diagrams, examples, exercises, explanations, and a clear path to make you a confident and competent jazz pianist. It uses the same clear, concise, and no-nonsense teaching style that I use in my videos. And most importantly, and as the title suggests, it doesn't just tell you what to play, but also how to play it and why it works. So I don't just drop in a chapter about the Phrygian chord out of context and for no conceivable reason. Everything builds from first principles, so you understand why something sounds good or bad and how to actually apply it at the piano. Now, this approach comes directly from my own experience learning jazz. I found a lot of material overwhelming, vague, and full of abstractions that don't mean anything when you're a beginner. Things like you need to find your own sound or play what you mean. And I was also frustrated by methods that taught you what to play without explaining why. So in many ways, this is the book that I wish I had when I first started getting into jazz. It avoids unnecessary jargon and makes explicit all of the assumed knowledge that jazz musicians have already internalized. And it breaks things down in a way that doesn't leave you lost or behind. So if you've enjoyed the channel over the years or learned something through the website, or you're simply looking for a clear, comprehensive, and progressive way to finally understand jazz theory and actually play jazz piano, then I would love for you to check out my book. The link to purchase it is in the description. Now, writing this has taken many years and has been quite the ordeal. It's actually quite challenging to write a book, it turns out. Who would have thunk it? But I'm genuinely proud of how it's turned out. And believe it or not, I did not use AI to write this book, so you will not find lots of M-dashes and emojis sprinkled throughout the text. So thanks for sticking around, and a genuinely big thanks for watching and supporting the channel while I've been a little preoccupied. So take care, happy practicing, and I hope you enjoy the book. Thanks, bye.